So this section in the book has a couple of really nice worked out examples, and they're laid out step by step with explanations of what they're doing. And so if you're struggling with this at all, I highly encourage you to go and look at those. Then I'm going to do these two skill builder problems just as examples in class. A pure gold A pure gold metal bar displaces 0.82 liters of water. What is its mass in kilograms? And the density of gold is 19.3 grams per cubic centimeter. So write down the numbers. 0.82 liters. And this is in parentheses. That's going to be our conversion factor. The question, what is the mass in kilograms, tells me what I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find kilograms. So this one's a little more challenging. I'm looking at this density, and it doesn't give me the density in kilograms per liters. It gives it in grams per cubic centimeter. But I can convert grams to kilograms, right? So if I had grams here, I could get to kilograms because I know what kilo means. If I could get to grams, then I can convert from cubic centimeters and grams. So I could do cubic centimeters to grams. I'm working this one kind of backwards. And then liters to cubic centimeters. 1 cubic centimeter is the same as 1 milliliter. This is an often overlooked equality that I want you to remember. A cubic centimeter is exactly the same as a milliliter. They are two different names for the same volume. So converting from milliliters to cubic centimeters is a piece of cake. It's 1 to 1. Can I convert liters to milliliters? Yeah, I've got the liter unit. One has a prefix, the other doesn't. I can do that in one step. For this problem, getting the path written out, that's the hardest part. Any questions? So now we'll just follow the pattern. 0.82 liters, counting the arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Liters to milliliters to cubic centimeters to grams to kilograms. This is why you want to write it down because that's a little bit much to remember. So I'm just going to copy it down. And then for the denominator, I take the previous unit and I bring it down here because I want them to cancel out. So liters will cancel. I write milliliters down there. They're going to cancel. Write cubic centimeters down here. They're going to cancel. And write grams down here. And that's going to cancel out. I learned how to do this with the units in high school, in physics class. And I'd have to say it's probably the most valuable thing I learned in all of high school. Was unit conversions. Okay, so we got all the units straightened out. Now we need some numbers. Well, the density is given to us here, 19.3 grams per cubic centimeter. So I'm going to find the term that has grams and cubic centimeters. And the 19.3 goes with the grams, and 1 goes with the cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeters and milliliters, exactly the same thing. That's 1 to 1. Over here I have milliliter and liter, and so I need to remember that milli means 10 to the minus 3. So milli is up here. I'm going to write what it means down there. You could think of milli as a nickname, and 10 to the minus 3 is the given name. My third son his given name is Thomas Kawagoa, but we never call him Thomas. not even when we're mad at him. He's always Tommy. So you could have the nickname Tommy, and then the unit would be like the last name, Tommy Kawagoa. Or you could have Thomas Kawagoa, but you would never put Thomas Tommy Kawagoa or Tommy Thomas Kawagoa as opposed to just Kawagoa, right? You use one or the other. You either use the prefix or you use the 10 to the something. You don't put them together, okay? So 1 milliliter, 1 times 10 to the minus third liters. Over here at the end, we've got kilograms and grams. Kilo stands for 10 to the plus 3. I have kilo on top. I want to put what it means on the other side. I don't want to write 10 to the third with the K. 1 kilogram is 1 times 10 to the third grams. Okay, get out your calculator. 0.82 divided by 1 EE negative 3 times 1 divided by 1 times 19.3 times 1 divided by 1 EE 3. And I screwed up on my calculator somewhere. Did you get 15.826? Okay. How many sig figs? 2. The density has 3. These guys are all exact, but our starting number only has 2. So we'd round that to 16, and the unit is kilograms. Any questions? I'm going to skip that one.